Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now in this video, we're going to do some hard pulls in the Shelby GT350 after installing long tube headers as well as E85. You guys can probably tell from the front bump we have successfully killed an entire family of bugs. Now, I have been pretty much logging this car, doing some rolls, not racing anybody, just making sure that it is dialed in. And the setup actually is going to change a little bit. I'm recording this video on the 10th, so on the 11th, depending on when I do upload this video, this car will have a different setup. It's going to be a little bit quicker, but I want to go ahead and get some hard pulls on the setup that we have right now. Again, everything is going to be changing. Actually, we're going to be switching tuners, so we're going to see how the new tune actually does act up. I'll reveal that in a future video, keep you guys in the loop, but I will be linking up with one of my homies who has what I believe, if not the fastest, or at least one of the quickest NA 10-speed Mustangs in the Houston area. So let's go ahead and get some rolls in. It is pretty hot, both outside and on the streets right now. You know, it's about to be that Texas 2K time, so we're gonna be as smart as possible and do a hit, dip, do a hit, dip, and just enjoy the car. All right, let's go ahead and get some pulls in. And we are 50 to E, which on E85 is technically like probably 25 to E. All right, let's go ahead and take off traction control though. Straight on, going full speed. Downshifts are spinning like a motherfucker. Why I need a tire, man. First gear is useless, but a nice way to warm up the tires though. Alright, this guy's let me go. This thing is spinning so bad. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in the video, but I tried to actually do a no lift shift, and I don't know if the clutch can take it because it just kind of rejected that third gear. The last time I did try to go ahead and do a third to fourth gear pull, when I was actually kind of doing the testing and, you know, pretty much data logging it, it rejected that third to fourth gear pull. So I don't know if the clutch is rejecting the no lift shifting. Might have to go ahead and get a log looked for the shifting, but I definitely want to be able to no lift shift still, for sure. But these 40 rolls are completely useless. It just spins so bad. Do a hit up here. break loose. I gotta like roll into it. I can't even go full throttle. This sucks. Well, not like it sucks, but you guys know what I mean. As soon as I put my foot all the way down, that's probably why I didn't engage the no lift shift, because you gotta be literally complete flat out watt for that shit to work. But then again, I don't know if I'm gonna be utilizing it like all weekend, or I should say next weekend. Just 'cause I really don't want to fuck the clutch up, because it is the stock clutch. So if I have to lift, all good. Oh my goodness, man. Yes. Oh my goodness. It worked there, god damn it. I made sure to get the fuck off that road as soon as I did that hit. Oh my god, I'm not really trying to beat on it like that too much though. It's hot as hell out here in Texas now, y'all. Shit, dry heat up in here. Actually, not even dry heat. What am I saying? It's that humid heat out here, man. Shit, I wish it was a dry heat. Then you can just go in the shade and be chilling. This is something else. Woo! Man, dude, every time I do a no lift shift with headers and E, man, I'm knocking off probably like 5K miles on this stock clutch. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got at least one good hard pull in there. We got a couple nice little hits, but the car's spinning real bad. You guys can tell in the video, we gotta be really, really careful. Now, I completely understand why Coyote owners go ahead and get that drag pack situated before they do headers in E, because anything under a 60, if you're not completely full watt, is worthless. It just spins, and honestly, it's dangerous. Like, it literally is dangerous. There's a reason why there's a lot of Mustang memes. Now, I fully understand that. Gonna let the car cool off right now because it is hot. It's like almost 90 out here, so gonna let it cool off. On the rears right now, I have the first generation Pilot Super Sports. Hope you guys can hear me. There's a little bit of wind, but these are 305, 35, 19s on here. Now, I used to have Pilot Sport 4S's on the FRS before I really went ahead and upped the boost and switched to R888Rs. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys have had good experience with the Pilot Sport 4S's on this platform, because I know these cars are specifically designed to handle with the Michelin Pilot Sport brand tires. So let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. Be greatly appreciated if you were to do that. Obviously, to get a proper drag pack, because I do not want to run a 20-inch tire and a wheel, I do have to go ahead and get some aerospace brakes and a radial, which I'm gonna have to do that anyway when I do go ahead and boost the car, because I'm not even gonna bother trying to hook this thing up on the 19s with boost. It's just, that is not gonna happen at all. Now, as you guys can see, I actually did go ahead and remove the rear seats. I'm prepping for a rear seat delete. I'm going to be putting in the bougie Ford Performance rear seat delete. This is actually the first time that I actually got on the car with the rear seats out, so that's probably why it was spinning so bad. These rear seats are like 45, 50 pounds, so that in the rear is, it's enough to cause some spinning problems. But we'll go ahead and address it, get it all situated. So if you guys did enjoy the vid, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I will be releasing another video going over me data logging and me tuning the car with the new tuner. This was actually on the same setup as my car was just picked up. Literally, like, we're making some last minute changes because obviously I want to get this car running the best it can. There's still a little bit left on the table, actually a lot left on the table, so we're gonna go ahead and get it set up. But it's funny because this thing is like unusable at Watt right now and we're about to go ahead and kick it up a notch. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.